Una done, my people. Make we sharply talk about Excel anatomy. This side wey you dey see wey get alphabet A, B, C, D, na im dem dey call column. This side wey get numbers 1, 2, 3, na im dem dey call row. Now, where dis two meet, where number and alphabet meet for here now, na im dem dey call cell. So this one na cell A1, this place now na cell. If I come here now, this one na J3. If I come here, na cell O19 be this one. So where these two meet, na im dem dey call cell. Now, if I drag come here like this now, this thing wey I drag wey dey show hash color, na im dem dey call range. And then to take describe am, you go start from here. From this place now, cell A1 na im the beginning. And then you go come say cell A1 through to this place wey be the last place. The number na the alphabet na N and the number na 19. So we go say the range name na A1 through N19. Na im be the range. And then to describe the true, you go use column. Now, I go come this place. This place na the place wey dem dey call quick access. Na the things wey dey for here na im Excel don look say people dey quick use this thing oo, like this save and then undo and redo button. Excel don reason am say people dey quick use am. Now, this na the name of my book, the book wey I dey work with. And then this na the name of my own system. This place na im we dey, if you click am now, e go reduce your Excel sheet. If you click this place now, e go close am. Now, this place, all this one, this place now, na here we dey come click new workbook. If you look am now, na here we dey come click new workbook. If you look at this one, na template wey Excel don do create put for inside Excel wey be say we fit use. And then if you click this place, you go see more template wey Excel don click. If you look at this place, na the thing wey be say the Excel wey I don work with, na im be this way. If I wan quickly open am, instead of clicking here, I go just click here, open the one wey I don dey work with. If you come here now, na open be this one. If you get one work wey I dey do and I save am and I wan open am, I go click this place now. This one now, I fit save for here. If you get one work wey I don dey work, I don save am, I go come click here. This one na im dem dey call save as. Save as na im be say this one, this my book now na new one. I never do anything for there. If I wan save am for the first time, I go click on save as and then e go bring some things come for me. You fit print Excel, see am, you go click print, you go that one you go connect your computer to your printer. You fit share am, you fit export and then you fit close. Now, this one, this thing wey I click here, all this one wey dey here, dem dey call them tabs. This one na tab, home tab now. This one na insert tab and then draw tab and so on and so forth. This one now, na im I don explain give you. The next one na this home tab. If you look at this home tab now, e get some things wey come up as I click am. If I click insert tab, some other things sef come up. This thing wey come up na im we dey call ribbon for inside Excel. We dey call am ribbon. See this one too na im dem dey call ribbon for inside Excel. All this place now, if you look am, if you look all this ribbon now, you go see say e get one line. See this line now, see this line now. Now, na im dem dey call group for inside Excel. This place now na clipboard group. This one na font group and so on and so forth. If you click other place sef, you go see am. You see am say e dey for this place too. Now, all these things wey dey here, wey if you click am, something go happen. If you click this one, something go happen. If you click this one, something dey happen. Dem dey call them two buttons for inside Excel. Dem dey call all of them two buttons for inside Excel. Now, if you look this place, you go see say e get one arrow, one small arrow wey dey here. If you click am, some things dey show. This one dey talk say e still get many things wey I fit do oo, but this group no fit contain am. You go come click am now. If you click am now, something go come out. Now dis button na im dem dey call launch button or dialogue launcher. As I click am, you see sey something don come out. Na im be sey as I click am, I don launch dis thing or I don open another dialogue. Now for here now, you go fit do so many things. You fit change your font, you fit change your font, you fit change your font size, you fit change the colour and so on and so forth. Na im all dis one dey do. If you look am now, e dey here too. You see sey different thing don come out for dis one. Anywhere wey you see all dis thing, na im be sey e still get many formula o, but dis side no fit contain am. If you come launch am, you go come see the remaining one. Now if I click dis place now, you see sey e turn green. As e turn green, na im dem dey call active cell. The rest e dey grey, na im be sey dem no dey active. If you come here, dem dey call dis place now, dem dey call am name box. If I comot here now, you see sey for now e dey show B2. If I come here now, e go change again. E don change to M9. Na im be sey the name of the cell wey I click na im be dis one now. Now dis next one na im dem dey call formula bar. Dis one. Now if I write put for here now, e go show there. And I fit write put for inside the formula bar itself. See am now, e dey show for inside the cell wey I don click, wey dey active. Now if you come to dis side now, you see sey something dey move, e dey move, e dey move. Na im dem dey call scroll bar. E dey scroll up and down. Now dis one now na another scroll bar. E dey scroll left and right. E dey scroll left and right. Now e get something wey dey for dis place wey dem dey call zoom. If you look am now, see now, I don zoom am, e don small. As I click am go middle, e don become normal. If I click am go my right side, see as e dey big. Na im dem dey call zoom button. Dis one now, if you click am, see e dey show only one part wey I don dey work. E dey show only dat part. Dis place now, e don turn am to 2 pages for me, and den dis one na the normal one. Dis one na im dem dey call sheet. Excel, you fit get many sheet for inside one workbook. Sheet 2, sheet 3. And dis one now, if I click am, sheet 4 don come, another sheet don come out. If I click am now, another one don come out. And den you fit change the name. You fit change the name of the sheet. If you right click am, if you right click your mouse, some things go come up wey be sey you fit insert, you fit delete, you fit rename am, you fit move and copy. If I wan rename am now, see am now, e don turn grey. I go come type wetin I wan write. Bola. See now, I don change the name of the sheet. And den you fit do the same thing for many sheet. You fit move dis sheet come here. See am now, I don move am. See am, I don move am. The combination of all dis sheet na im be dis workbook. Na im be dis workbook. Now if you get anything for dis Excel anatomy wey be sey you think sey Bola, you suppose talk about am o, but you no talk about am, put am for inside comment section. I go talk about am for my next video. Thank you very much. See you.